Namaste, I'm Suneet, and today I want to discuss open pores, why they happen on your face, and what you can do to naturally get rid of them or to reduce and eliminate them. Open pores happen due to your diet, your lifestyle. If you're taking a lot of sugary drinks or sugary foods, a lot of white sugar, you will get open pores. It can also be due to part of your aging process. It could be due to your genetics. The best solution for open pores is clay packs. So Multani mitti and curd, that's a good option. Bentonite clay and curd, that's a good option. If you have sensitive skin, dry skin, then the clay that is good for you is kaolin clay. Kaolin clay with plus rose water, kaolin clay plus curd, kaolin clay plus water. Any of these options, apply that, let it dry, wash it off. All of these will help you reduce the appearance of open pores. And internally, you have to reduce sugary foods and drinks from your diet to eliminate the open pores completely from inside out. So that's it for me for today. Thank you.